korom ga juanga bende alosa na koda japuonjo David Obuon. Obuon kintiere kaunti ma Kisumu ng'eni penjo nitiere mathoth ahinya penjo ewi transition mano mawuok junior kadhi senior secondary ahinya yiero skunde placement kaka itimo yiero pathways e kind mamoko alima ng'eni bende kwa dhi nyime ibro bedo bende kitwa kodwa kapo nono ni jonyuol bende biro kata mne sikunde mano mar penjo kata mana penjo. Obuon awinjo na pachi kotende kod transition makama kaka idwa time nikech thuolo bende onge nikech dwe mar 9 donge e dhi mana ka romo to kae kuma bende jopuonjre biro bedo katimo penjo mar KJSEA.
Kama Sharon, iking'eyo ni chien kacha ka nyithindo chopo e klas ma gitimo penj ka gidhi level machielo kaka chon e 844 system. Nyithindo kana registered dwe mar 1 gi 2 ne gimiyo gi choices of schools. To ne giyiero skunde go categories manochiw national, extra county, county and sub county levels. And various categories nimiyogi. Sani koro wadhi a new system ma nyithindo gidhi yiero schools under STEM pathway, under sports science, and under arts. Sama dhi timore, wawinjo ni skundege are now going to be amalgamated in a way, and even the way the arrangement nitiere olokore ma nitie skunde ma again boys only, moko nyalo bedo mixed, moko again girls only, they can be mixed. And this has not come out clearly in which schools are going to be those ones. My kelo confusion. Pathways are offer pathways or are they going to offer the three pathways or are they going to offer type pathways? I think the public should make understand. Pathways are offered is push sekunde mage. Let us onboard our parents and stakeholders. They understand. We want to take a time mokalo. Serikal no organize county stakeholder forum about this issue of transition. But until then, Pogigolo report. From the discussions about the country, this is what the stakeholders are recommended to be effective. When you put up your Kavin Belekaja, the year, schools will give there by the end of as we begin next year, as they move to senior school. This kind of confusion will stop. Power to my Sharon Motegino, name it to get some way. Bewange, Jokane, need competency based education. Mathan somo I know under competency curriculum, is not even protected by law. The tier check one money book, Sani, we don't need to know paper number 10 or 20. Kata says on paper number 1 or 2025. Monday will be any personalized CBC and CBC system with education. Mabulo Golo, Education Act, because basically it was on Act 2013 to kill the CBE education system under the law. Some way, if you know the thing, page magiri 9, but the laws of this country, the act will protect this system because is not in place. What is our members of parliament doing? What is the education committee in parliament doing? Monogi fast track gigi monomi somo is need to partisan. Now can say we are early childhood education system, that is ECD. Grade 9. Where are we been? Why is it that there is no act of parliament to protect the CBE, community-based education system? So the extent of the senior school to lower protect that system to onge. Make a little confusion because I believe if this law would have been in place, then the issue of transition it will be well spelled in that act. But not was act. This will be how the school be classified. They can go move into various schools. So the first thing what can you based on what team? Enemy system of paper number 10 or 2024 should be passed by Parliament to make it an act to review the basic education 2013. Monomi CBE education system obeyed personalized by an act of Parliament. Kapag one of him, bakamwako which and this thing can be challenged by any board anywhere, particularly when somebody goes to the court of law. Then he wanted him will go to a way. So I think as a nation, it is upon us to come up boldly enough Parliament to discuss and pass social paper number 10 to review the Basic Education Act 2013. Mondo 844 obey Okanachu.
Ero kama na inya
Mondo CBC, okay, effect. Thank you.